Good morning, students. With the theoretical geometry, we can study the practical geometry sum also. Our topic is construction of triangle. Okay, in the previous topic, we studied the construction of triangle when sides and angles are given. Here, we can study the how to construct the triangle when the median, altitude with the vertical angle. Okay. See the first model, when the median is given, how to draw the triangle, how to construct the triangle. Okay. First question is, construct a triangle PQR in which PQ equal to 8 cm, angle R is equal to 60 degree, and the median RG from R to PQ is 5.8 cm. See how we marked everything in the rough diagram. Triangle PQR, PQ equal to 8 cm, angle R is equal to 60 degree. Then median means one line segment from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, so G is the midpoint, so this PG is equal to GQ, it is the meaning. So RG is the median, the length of the RG is 5.8 centimeter. Okay, with this, after constructing, one more question is given, find the length of the altitude. So find the length of this altitude RG. Okay, for this, first, after in the solution part, compulsory have to write the given part. Given, first write the triangle name, then what are the measures are given. Okay, given triangle PQR. In that, PQ equal to 8 cm, angle R 60 degree, median RG equal to 5.8 cm. Okay, the same you show in the rough diagram also. Please draw the rough diagram neatly using scale and pencil and write all the measures. Okay, otherwise you will not get the mark for the rough diagram. You should draw neatly using scale and pencil. Then we can I given another one video how to construct the fair diagram neatly. So you watch that and draw this diagram. Then how we constructed, just I am explaining simply. First draw the line segment, then draw this acute angle 60 degree. Which angle is given in the question, the same angle you draw below the line. Okay, keep the protractor in this ups and down with this way and take the 60 degree. Then for using this ray, you make 90 degree. Afterwards, draw the perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector and this 90 degree line will intersect at a point O. It is the point we will use for drawing this circle. Also, this perpendicular bisector will intersect on this line segment at G. It is the midpoint of the line. Okay, that will help to draw the median. These 2 points will help to do this triangle, construct this triangle. So draw the perpendicular bisector carefully, and when you are drawing the dotted line, this intersecting points you mark it correctly. Okay, using the center O, draw the circle with the radius OP or OQ. So you are getting the circle correctly. Then in the question they given RG length is 5.8 centimeter. So you take 5.8 centimeter in the compass. G is the center, draw an arc at the left of the circle and right of the circle. Any one arc intersecting point you can use. We use the left side point. So join PR and QR. Okay, if you join this side, you will get PS, QS. But in our question, they given R. You can change this intersecting point R and join this side. It is also correct. Anyway, we get the triangle PQR. This vertex angle R is equal to 90 degree. This median is 5.8 centimeter. Don't forget to write the measures. Okay. Since G is the midpoint, these lengths are equal. Okay. So we constructed the triangle. Afterwards, we need the length of the altitude. So you draw the altitude first. For that, you extend the line PQ. Then draw an arc from R here. Using the same measure, you draw the other 2 arcs and join. Simply I am explaining. You see the previous video. You will get the construction neatly and find the length of this RM. Okay, that only we written in the construction part. Understand? So learn the construction and write it correctly. Don't write in your own words in the wrong points. Please write all the points in the construction part. Please write all the points in the construction part. Don't miss any point. You will get the mark. Okay. At last, you have to write the length of the altitude. RM is 3.8 centimeter. Don't forget to write this. Up to this construction of triangle, you don't conclude. In the question, they ask the length of the altitude. So for that, you write the 2 more points and conclude the construction. After completing this, please do the homework, some exercise 4.2, 11 and 12. Okay.